EBS Kids. Gomdy, Gomdy, Gomdy is my friend. Hello.
Hello.
Kkaram is my friend. Hello. Hello. Ddamu is my friend. Hello. Hello. Happy friends, Gomdy and friends.
Ugh, it's so messy. There's no way I can go in there. I'm going to lie down in my parents' room. It's clean and quiet in here.
Songwon, are you home? Have you messed up Mom's room and fallen asleep again? Get up!
Wasn't that beautiful? I'll play for you again next time.
Hello, Gomdy.
Huh? Hello, friends. Hello, 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 my friend.
Hello, 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 Gomdy.
Hello, hello, we happily say
hello.
hello. Huh? Oh, that's right. Kkaram, Ddamu, and I made plans to make music. Where are they?
Where has Gomdy gone? Oh, I'm so bored. Where is Ddamu? Kkaram, I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Now, let's play music together.
Yeah, let's practice. The kindergarten concert is coming up soon.
Let's go.
Ugh, that's so noisy. Kkaram, you should have practiced.
What? You're no good either.
Yeah.
Let's all practice on our own and then get together again and play.
Okay. Look at your room. It's such a mess. Clean it up before dinner time.
Ugh, you're so noisy. Wait a minute. Okay. I'll clean you up. What is going on? Something's not right. I'm not cleaning. I don't want to. The clothes in the closet are singing. The books in the bookcase are singing. If you throw clothes on the bed, if you leave books on the floor, if you leave things wherever, you'll hear an ugly noise. If you put things where they belong, wow, you'll hear a nice sound.
Let's do it one at a time. You go first, Ddamu.
I didn't mess up once, right?
You did a good job, Ddamu, but it would be nice if you played softly so we can hear other people too.
Okay.
Okay, now it's Kkaram's turn. Go! We all play well when we play individually. Let's listen to each other while we play. Let's go. See, we make beautiful music when we all listen to each other.
We're a success.
Hey! Where's all your energy?
I can't seem to organize things.
Really? I'll help you. Okay, look over here. This book is upside down, isn't it?
Oh, so it is.
Hmm? Huh?
Thanks for your help, Gomdy.
Thank you for letting me hear your beautiful music. Bye.
The clouds in the closet are singing. The books in the bookcase are singing. If you throw clothes on the bed, if you leave books on the floor, if you leave things wherever, you'll hear an ugly noise. If you put things where they belong, wow, you'll hear a nice sound. Wow, that was beautiful!
Bravo! Bravo!
Friends, what kind of sound do you think your own room makes?
Goodbye, friends!